Hi Crafty Friends, it's Scrapping Sylvia. How is everyone doing tonight? Today we're going to be doing this card, this beautiful card. And it says, thanks a bushel. And it's got a pretty little girl, and there's apples, and she's selling the baskets, or she's buying or she's selling the apples. It says 10 cents an apple. And then in the inside it says, you are awesome to the core. And I didn't add any shine here because it's going to take a while to dry. Okay, so let's begin. We need the paper trimmer. Yes. Let's get the paper trimmer. All right. I think someone was asking me in my last video how do I pick the paper. So I basically went to Hobby Lobby. I think they have this also at Joann's or Michael's. It's a recollection, so it's maybe Michael's. I think they had a sale. I think it was like 50% off. I can't remember. And anyway, so what I do is basically I always like to look for it's actually very pretty paper, guys, for the fall. Perfect for the fall. It's got apple pies and pretty green. So it's perfect for fall. So what I did basically, I picked a pattern that I liked, which was the leaf paper. And then I picked a solid color, which is the red. And then I picked another print. Yeah, not a solid, a print, with a print. So I picked 3. Anyway, so let us begin. First thing we're going to need is, well, let's open this up. First thing we're going to need is to make the card. I'm using a white cardstock, 12 by 12, and we're going to cut this 5.5 by 8.5. Okay, we're going to use the trimmer again, but let's just put it to the side. Now let's fold this in half. Okay, and then if you have a bone folder, it just helps to fold it. But you don't want to press too hard because you don't want to rip the paper. Okay, so there goes the card. So let's put that aside, and now we're gonna pick a pattern paper, and I believe I picked the one with the leaves. And the one with this one's gonna be 4 inches. It's very pretty paper. Isn't that pretty paper? 4 by 5.25. Okay, we're gonna do, that's gonna go right on top of that. Okay, so let's do the cutting, and then we'll do the inking. And then I'm gonna use the red paper, and the red paper is gonna be 3 3/4 by 5 inches. So we're doing inches. So that's gonna go on top of right there, just like that. And then we're gonna use the striped paper, and this one's going to be 3.5 . This reminds me of the school uniforms when I used to go to Catholic school. So this is going to be 3.5 by 4 3/4. And I'm going to write all the dimensions, all the measurements for you on my description box. Okay. And then you can use any pattern paper you have at home, any scrap paper. You don't have to buy paper. And then we're going to use white paper. Actually, I already did that. I already cut. But the white paper is going to be where I already stamped the little girl and the apple. And so that's going to go on the top. And this is going to be 3 1/4 by 4.5. Okay. And, well, actually, before we continue, let's do the inside of the card. Okay, so we're going to also use the leaf paper or the pattern paper, and then white paper. So let's do the leaf paper. Hopefully I'll have enough. Ooh, let's see. I don't know if this is going to be enough. I might have to go check to see if I have more. So it's going to be 4, oh, perfect, by 5 1/4. Wow, that was close, guys. Okay, so that's going to go in the inside of the card. Let's make sure. Perfect. And then we're going to need white paper. And the white paper is going to be 3. Let's make sure that we have enough here. Yeah. The white paper is going to be 3 3/4 by 5. Okay, so we have all the cutting done. So now we can put the paper trimmer away. Then what we're going to do next is we are going to use brown ink, and we are going to ink around, and that's only if you want. I like to do that because I feel like everything pops up more, the colors. So I basically ink all around the card. Okay, and I'm also going to ink this paper, the paper that's going to go inside. I'm actually going to ink everything, guys. So yeah. Did I do this side? Yeah. So this is going to go inside. And let's ink this one. And we're going to do the stamping also before we do anything, because it's easier. Okay, that's going to go in the inside. And then this one's going to go on top. So it's just absolutely beautiful paper, this one. It's very thick also, guys. It's good quality. Okay, that's going to go there. And then the beautiful red. It's like a red wine paper color. I'm trying to do this as fast as I can. That goes there. And then this one. And we already inked the white paper. So this is the last one that we're inking. Okay. So let's put this away for now. And now we're going to need the tape. So let's do the inside first. Why not, right? So let's fold this. Make sure it's nice and straight. Okay, I think that's good. I tend to see everything crooked, guys. I don't know why, but I do. Maybe I need stronger glasses. Who knows? Okay, and then let's do this. You could pop it up if you like. I am not going to pop it up. That is up to you. It's whatever you want to do. It's your prerogative. Okay. It's like the song. It's your, how does it go? It's your prerogative? I don't know. Okay. So there it goes. And then in the inside, we are going to, I already have it. Here it is. We're going to use this one that says, "You're awesome to the core." And we're going to need ink, black ink. I use water-based ink because it's faster to dry. Okay, make sure it's nice and straight. Ink it again, one more time. I don't know if it's in the middle, but what the heck. Okay, that's good. And then I also use this one, this little one. It's little apples. So you can put the apples any way you want or anywhere. I think I did 3 together. I don't know if I like that so much. So let's do something different in this one. Why not? Okay. You can go apple crazy if you like. Okay, then, so we have that stamped. So now let's tape this down. It's actually very fast, guys. It's fast and easy to do. And if you have any questions, you can always email me and I will try to, or on Instagram. I'm also on Instagram. Okay. Oh, yeah. If you have any questions. Okay. Look how beautiful that paper is. I love it. I'm gonna have to use that paper again for something else because it's really hidden. Oops, oopsie daisy. Okay. Okay. And this one. And we are going to pop that one, but I have to color it. And I'm not finished stamping. I'm going to add the little basket. Okay. See? So we have 1, 2, 3 layers. And with this one, it's going to be 4 layers. And this one we're going to pop up. We cannot pop it up yet until we finish stamping. So let me bring this one up for here so you can see it. See? Now, what happened with this one is, you can see she's very close to this apple, but I didn't make her too close to this apple, so I don't have enough space to put another apple there. So I'm just going to put the basket here. And where is it? The stamp right here. So make sure we stamp it properly. I got a little bit of ink here. I just use baby wipes. All right, make sure this is nice and straight, as close as you can. And who knows, maybe we can. I don't know, we'll see. All right, press down. There it goes. I wanted to do another apple, but yeah, maybe it fits. Oh, I think it does. What the heck? Let's try it out, guys. Let's try it out. Put this underneath here just in case if it sticks out. Let's put the apple right there. Huh. All right. Well, it'll work. It will work. And then, of course, we need the title. And right here, thanks a bushel. Make sure it's nice and stamped. Enough ink on the stamp. And if you get any on the block, you just use a wipey. And right here, is it straight? Yep. Press down. There it goes. Okay, so we finish, I believe, with the ink. Yep. So now I'm just going to color it in. And I'm going to use the Spectrum Noir, or you can use colored pencils, whatever you have. And I'll be back. So let me color in. Okay, so we're back. I finished coloring her. I made her with brown hair, and this one has blonde hair. Okay, so let's get the card, and we're gonna use the, where are my little pop-ups? I just had them here. Here it is. Here they are. Here they are. Okay, I'm using the 3D foam squares. Okay, so let's turn her around. Let's put some in the back so she can pop up. And you could put as many as you want. I think that's sufficient. Okay, and peel. Okay, and then make sure the card is nice and straight, and down she goes. Make sure she's in the middle. Okay, and now we're gonna either add, so we've got Nuvo, and these are called shimmer brushes. Shimmer brushes is a raspberry, or a stickles. Okay, for this one, I put stickles on her scarf and on her skirt. And then for the apples, I use the shimmer brush. But I don't know if I like that one too much. I don't know. And then, of course, on the inside, we'll have to add. Why don't we add stickles to that one? Or should we add some here? I don't know. All right, let's just leave that one for like that for now. And let's add some stickles on her scarf. And then some on her pretty skirt. It's got little ruffles. And of course you have to leave this overnight to dry. You could either just do that with that, but if we use the Nuvo, oops, the Nuvo actually just makes it pop up. So maybe we could do that for the apples here. I don't know. What should we do? I think I'm just gonna add the stickles on this one. Let's do it on the apple. Actually, I have red. I should have gotten the red one, but that's okay. That's okay, guys. And of course, I'm just doing those two apples, but if you want, you could also add it on the other apples. And then, of course, let's not forget the inside of the card. Ooh, you know what? I forgot to color this. I always forget something. I knew it. Oh, Mamma Mia. What can I tell you guys? Let's see. Which one did I use? I think I used the dark red, but I'm going to use, if I can open this. Yeah. Okay. So remember what we said last time? I trace first. And then I color it in. Okay. And remember, you don't have to use markers. You can use also colored pencils. And color it in. And the last apple. Okay. Then color it in. And let us not forget the stem. And the stem, I'm going to use earth brown. Oops. Okay. And I'm going to use the stickles again. It's quicker for now. Or you could just leave them without the stickles. No shine. That's up to you. Alrighty. And that's it. Finito. Let's put that aside. I can't close this because it's wet. But anyway, so there goes the card. It's very pretty. Thanks a bushel. You are awesome to the core. So you can give this to a friend, family member. And so let me pick them both up so you can see. So one has blonde hair and one has brown hair. Next time I need to do one with red hair. Yep. Okay, so that's about it, guys. So have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the night. Bye-bye.